What's up, world? It's Big Hurt coming back at y'all once again with another video. Back in the kitchen, and this one is for all y'all pasta lovers. So y'all get out y'all pots and pans and all y'all ingredients, and y'all come and cook with me. And if y'all new to the channel, y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, browse the channel, and all that good stuff. And tell somebody about me, and tell them to tell somebody about me. And yeah, let's get into this dish. Yeah. It's Big Hurdle, so y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. Now we're gonna get ground beef. We're gonna need some ground beef. That's about 1.5 pounds of ground beef and 1 pound of the breakfast pork sausage. That's what I'm using for this dish, but you can use the Italian sausage. I don't really like Italian sausage, so I substituted with the breakfast pork sausage. And get that fried up real good. Back here we got water. Starting to boil our water for our penne noodles. You're gonna need some penne noodles, or you can get the ziti noodles. You couldn't find the ziti noodles, so I got the penne noodles. And yeah, be back with the next step in a few minutes. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell y'all, you need a whole onion. We're finna chop this onion up and put it in the ground meat while it's frying up. Yeah. Okay, now I'm about to add in the onion. Difficult. Yeah. Now we're gonna add some minced garlic. Yeah. Now we're gonna add our water boiling, so we're gonna add our penne. Hey, y'all get in the comment section. Y'all let me know, is it pronounced penne or is it pronounced panini? Y'all let me know. Is it penne or panini? I think it's penne. Penne. Okay, we'll see. Y'all let us know. Yeah. Now, in the meantime, in between time, you're gonna need 2 eggs. I'm gonna crack them in the bowl. Two. Gonna beat them up right quick. Look at the flick of the wrist. You heard me? Look at the flick of the wrist. That's good right there. Let me rinse this off. Now, you're gonna need some ricotta cheese. And we're gonna do about 2 teaspoons. That's all you're gonna need. We're gonna mix this up in the egg. I forgot my season. Hold on a second, let me give a season. Salt, a little bit of accent, and a Y'all gonna see what this for. This goes with this. Y'all know I ain't gonna leave you hanging. I'm gonna show you every step I do, so you can get it right too. That's good enough right there. Y'all see that? Yeah. Y'all don't know what's going on today, man. I'm tripping. I forgot to tell y'all about to put this in the egg and ricotta cheese mixture. This is some Italian cheese, Italian mix. Put a little bit of that in there, and put a little bit of mozzarella in there. I'm gonna save the rest for the rest of the dish. I can stir that in real good. Just fold it all together, you know. Make sure all the cheese get nice and good and incorporated. I'm gonna get it together though, y'all. It's been a little while. Yeah. And everybody that's still here in the video right now, y'all comment in the comment section, big fan. Cause if you still watching me, you a part of the big fan. So comment down below, big fan. Yeah. Be back in a little bit. Alright, now y'all, we got our meat browned up, strained, all the grease off. Now we're gonna go in with a can of stewed tomatoes. And also we're going in with a jar of marinara sauce. It's gonna make the good sauce mixer. Now you put some water in that jar so you can get all the rest of that out, you hear? Yeah. Now we're gonna turn this fire on a medium. We're gonna stir it all in there together. And we're gonna let this simmer down for about 20, 25 minutes, 30 minutes maybe. We'll be back. Oh yeah, and we added another dollop of ricotta cheese to the meat sauce. Now mix that in good, yeah. Now we're gonna season this a little bit. We're gonna go in with a season oil, a little more atomic season oil, seasoned salt. We're going with some black pepper. I hate when your sneeze go away. Yeah. Hey, keep coming and going. Gonna add some accent. And some garlic powder. Stir it up good, yeah. Alright, there's my meat sauce. It's been simmering for about 20, 25 minutes, something like that. I lost track of time. I'm gonna add our noodles back to the meat sauce, and we're gonna mix this all up real good, and then we're gonna start building this casserole. Alright, y'all, we're back once again. We're finna get this thing assembled. And y'all get your oven preheated to 375. About half of the meat mixture and the noodles. A little bit of scooping. Gonna put about half in there. Spread it cheeses. Little cheese. This mozzarella right here. Using mozzarella and Italian mix. I'm gonna have it real cheesy. I wanted to put some Parmesan in it, but I forgot to get some. But it's all good. It's gonna be cheesy. So Italian blend and stuff. Put down, and all you have to do is repeat the steps. Put some more the sauce mix and the noodles down. The rest of your ricotta cheese and egg, and then top it with some more cheese. And you'll have your nice cheesy baked ziti. After you bake it, of course. I'm finna finish putting this together, then we'll be back to show y'all the finished product. Yeah, yeah. Now this is how it's looking before and going to the oven. And like I say, have your oven on 375, and it's gonna go for about 20 minutes, and we're gonna be done. Yeah, yeah. And there it is, big fam. My easy, cheesy pasta ziti. So y'all try it. Y'all try to make this dish and tell me how y'all like it. It's real easy and simple. And I'm gonna let it just came out the oven. I actually let it go for 30 minutes. And I'm gonna let it cool off for about 10-15 minutes. I'm gonna cut a piece and show y'all how it look. Yeah, yeah. And there you have it, guys. The finished product of my baked cheesy ziti. So y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, browse the channel, and tell me how I did. And y'all know it's grow up time, so big hurt on the checkout. Yeah.